Yes, I made an extremely decent find. Iron signal and a very unexpected find. Here we have a mount to a rifle scope. This is a mount to the rifle scope ZF4, Zielfernrohr 4, most commonly used on the K43, Karabiner 43, not even in a bad condition. And here on the side of it there is the lever or handle to attach or disattach the scope. This is something I can legally keep. That is nice, very nice. I'm sitting in a foxhole right now. Here we have a magazine for the STG-44, Sturmgewehr 44. It is empty, it has been fired. There are even some more signals in the exact same hole. Okay, there I have made contact with the object. At first glance it seems to have a pretty similar shape to the Just Duck STG-44 magazine. Yes, it is another one. I made an extremely decent find, and on top of that it comes very unexpected. I'm in a very small forest here, mediocre signal, but I of course recognized it at first glance. This definitely is a cat eagle. Completely unexpected. It is my first decent signal of the day. It is an officer's cap eagle made out of zinc for the visor cap from the Wehrmacht. And I'd say it's still in a pretty nice condition considering it's laying here for over 80 years now. This is a beautiful piece of German rank insignia, so-called Schulterpickel, which was worn on the shoulder board. Sometimes in a smaller version it was also worn on the shoulder sleeve. Very close to the cap eagle I just dug. Here is a field spade, a German model. Huge position here and everywhere scattered around Russian pistol and submachine gun casings. And obviously a Soviet soldier figured out that his looted pocket watches are not made out of pure silver, but only silver washed. And that's why he may have dumped it again. That's always interesting. But some parts could definitely be made out of silver, so I take it home with me and try to figure out if it is the case. And out of this exact hole here, which I already refilled, there were plenty of German wartime coins. So a German soldier might have possibly lost his purse. And even more interesting is this tiny silver medal, which was laying right beside all of the coins, which is showing Kaiser Franz Josef. And on the back side it says Der Tapferkeit, for bravery. I've just pricked my finger with this find. Here we have an NSDAP party badge. This has been worn by all members of the NSDAP. This is a late war production piece made out of zinc.